A Virginia Beach man is shot by a North Carolina state trooper. The North Carolina State Highway Patrol says a trooper shot Kenneth Kinard after he allegedly, pointed a gun at that officer. And we're told a trooper tried to stop Kinard for allegedly speeding on I-587 near Wilson County Saturday. Officials say he kept driving until he eventually got out of the car and tried to run away. Well, that's when he allegedly pointed a gun at the trooper who was chasing him. That trooper shot him multiple times in the leg. Medics rushed him to the hospital. The trooper is not hurt, but he is now on administrative duty. Officials say they found a gun and drugs at that scene. We're told Kinard had multiple warrants out for his arrest related to drug charges, and more charges could be coming.